Okay, so today I just want to make sure everybody has the understanding of what a multiplication problem is and the different ways that you can solve it and the relationship between multiplication, division, and addition, just to make sure everyone's on the same page. So I'm going to use the problem 3 times 6 to go ahead and demonstrate this for you. So one of the ways I like to demonstrate multiplication is with groups of language. I think this is very helpful, and if you think about it this way, it can help you understand how multiplication is just groups of items together. So I can say I have 3 groups of 6. So I can have 3 groups, 2, 3, and I can put 6 in each group. Okay, so I have then, when I count all these up, 6, another group is 12, and another group is 18. So I'm going to put that up here. Okay, so I can think of it as groups. So if you're ever coming across a fact that you don't know, you can always draw that many groups. So for example, you could draw 3 groups and put 6 in each. Okay, repeated addition. On this one, what you can do is you can go ahead and do 3 and add 3 6 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 gives me 6, plus 3 more gives me 9, plus 3 more gives me 12, plus 3 more gives me 15, plus 3 more gives me 18. I can also do it the other way around, because with multiplication, you can switch the numbers around. It doesn't matter. So I could do 6 plus 6 plus 6 3 times and get 18 still, because 6 plus 6 is 12, plus another 6 is 18. Okay? The next thing you can do is you can draw an array. Or you guys will probably remember these from 2nd and 3rd grade. So we can go ahead and draw something that is 3 rows of 6. So I have 1, 2, 3 rows, and I'm going to make sure there are 6 in each. 3 rows of 6 is 18. And I can also go ahead and do 6 rows of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 rows of 3, and I have 3 in each row. But the bottom line is that it is 18. The next thing I want you to pay attention to are fact families. Fact families work the same way with multiplication and division as they do with addition and subtraction. So I start off with my basic as 3 times 6 is 18. Just like addition, it doesn't matter what order I put the numbers in. I will still get the same answer. So 6 times 3 is 18. It's the same thing as 3 times 6 is 18. Now, just like with subtraction and division, we want the bigger number first, always. Always, always. So 18 divided by 3 is going to give me 6, and 18 divided by 6 is going to give me 3. That's why sometimes you see fact families as a triangle, because you're always using those same 3 numbers repeated and repeated and repeated. Fact families only use the same 3 numbers that make the fact. The last one I want to show you is the number line. So I'm going to just show you one way on this. So our starting point is 0, and our ending point is 18. And what we can do with a number line is we can go ahead and we can jump 6 3 times. So I can do plus 6, plus 6 plus 6. And I know that this is 18 and that it's still 3 times 6 is 18, or 6 times 3 is 18, whichever way you want to think about it, because I jumped 6 3 times. So those are all of the ways that you can think about multiplication. And if you're ever not quite sure what the answer to a multiplication fact is, any of these strategies will help you get to the answer. So keep these in your back pocket.